I like trains.
We got a train. It's mixed freight, I think. Wait, that looks like empty coal.
Wow, that's a good guess, the old main guy.
Clear signal.
That's a good guess.
Wow, this thing's moving it, I think. I think this is a coal train. It's a Jevo for sure.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That's shaving a haircut. Wow, this thing's moving it. 940. Hello. Oh, he's waving. 950, 3229. Wow, there's 6 engines on this thing. It's coal. I did not know the train ID of this. Yes, 44AH leading. This thing is highballing. Oh, I think I see the end already. Oh, no, I don't. No, never mind. Wow. It's blowing. I can't tell if this is empty or loaded, but I bet you it's empty. Man, I mean, it feels really nice, but my God. I think I see the end. Yeah, definitely. I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone. This is probably the fastest CSX train I've seen so far. Definitely. This is probably like E780 whatever, I don't know. We're at the Dorsey station, by the way. And yeah, this thing is almost done. My gosh. There it goes.
Now that was a long train.
No, that was a fast train.
Ready to get Wawa?
Yeah.